today I got 4 dumplings, so I might give some to my friends and family. So I'm only gonna unbox one. This is the pink holographic and it says RMS. So I'm now gonna unbox it. We took the wrapper off, so now we can open it. Look, it says RMS at the bottom. Ooh, it's really jiggly. I am hoping for, any of them are really cute, but especially the golden red. But I also really want pink, purple, blue, and white. Oh, I got the yellow. This one's very cute. I'm actually very happy. It's good as well. I love this. It's so good.
What?
Bye.